one thing about a thoughtful design, and it's a big space, it would be a full-time job, I think, to maintain it. So Gardens of Babylon does that for us.
One thing we like to focus on with the maintenance piece is we want to have that conversation early on. So saying, okay, what is the end result that we're after? How do we plan to maintain that in the longer term? And then can we plan for the maintenance piece in mind?
It's really critical and really necessary to have somewhere to land after the plants go in. Anything and everything that's going to be necessary to maintain the health of the landscape long term and keep the experience for the client as smooth as possible. Really just gain a relationship with the client and get to know them as people. I think it's really important for us to have a people relationship with our clients as much as it's a relationship with the landscape.
There are eyes and ears out here. Any questions that we have, any concerns, you just reach out and they respond immediately. And the team that comes out that's assigned to us,
they've really been an essential part and just a joy to work with.
And Gardens of Babylon is specially suited for that. We pride ourselves a lot in our account management and our support after install.
I mean, this is a no-brainer.
Yeah.
And by creating this is now a vacation spot for us. We spend our lives out here.
It's by far an extension of the house.
Yeah.
That it's not just a yard to see through the window and let the dog go run around. The dog loves it too, by the way.